Hi, are you looking to learn how to reupholster furniture and make them your own? Are you tired of shopping for furniture only to find that the prices are out of your range? Are you ready to be taken from having little knowledge of how to disassemble and reupholster your own chairs to creating professional looking pieces that you can be proud of in just 1 week? Then this is your course on how to create the furniture that fits your lifestyle on your budget. It will allow you to create an impressive collection of chairs and give you the opportunities to make money by reupholstering furniture for your own clients. Or are you ready to upholster your own pieces to beautify your own home? Here's how. The course begins with the basics. I'll walk you through the tools you will need throughout the course. Once you've found the chair, we'll jump right in and teach you the tricks of the trade as we disassemble your chair and help you keep track of your pieces. Then we'll make a full assessment of your chair. I'll go over with you what components can be reused and what supplies you will need for your project. Then we'll discuss what kind of fabric you need and how much you should get. And then I will walk you through every step of the reupholstery process. The course is divided into 6 easy-to-navigate sections with over 4.5 hours of clear content spread over 35 lectures. Plus, I offer 100% fully responsive support throughout the entire course. So why am I sharing this with you? I'm Ronda. I'm a designer with experience in the world of reupholstery. From there, I transitioned into a freelance upholsterer working on my own time from my own home. My mission is to give you the skills necessary to create your own furniture through reupholstery and perhaps even provide a way for you to professionally make some money on the side, like I did. I offer a 30-day, 100% no questions asked, money back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Jump on in and start reupholstering today.